For many years, this was just a dream. And this is what she looked like at the beginning. It can get so overwhelming trying to organize all the ideas and inspiration that you have. I had Pinterest boards. I had my own drawings that I kept. I had my drawings on my iPad. I had sketchbooks. I just kind of kept it all everywhere. If I would have known how many times I went to Home Depot, I definitely would have bought stock. The bus has her own curves. Each wall has its own uniqueness. Life lessons were learned with each step of the process. Each of the 3 doors had their own dimensions and struggles to overcome. I created mock-ups on graph paper, saved charts for measuring, and sent myself notes as I needed them. Friends and family were instrumental all along the way. That red ceiling really was a pain in my ass. Then I did some cover-ups with gloss and flat paint. Combined, your eye kind of takes it to the glossy part. Then you don't see the mistakes. Ta-da!
Plywood.
You want to get inside to help her pull it in?
Regardless.
I would call this a slight discussion with a plus.
Oh, look at that. Perfection. Dun, dun, dun. Moments of truth. Full moment of truth.
I'm like, when do we tip it?
No. Go all the way? Well, it's got round. Full moment of truth.
Moment of truth, is it gonna fit?
And
Toni, how did you measure? Toni, how did you measure it correctly?
okay.
Okay.
Next up, round 2.
Jigsaw in here. These branches will later be used as a curtain rod.
DIY plumbing.
There are so many items inside the bus that have either been repurposed or gifted, and this live edge was gifted to me from another Skoolie family. It was one of my must-haves on my list, and I'm just in love with it. This is a project that's still in process. It is the bathroom. I never knew I was a cat person until I met this little guy, Oswald Cobblepot. He's a good time. He likes to watch TV with me, terrorize Maddie. Swing. On my way to go see the grandbabies. This is my view for the day.